Hi beautiful souls, it's Crystal, enjoying a beautiful day here in the Twin Cities down at Minnehaha Park. Because you can see there's a big stone structure behind me, and actually on the other side is like two cast iron ovens that are built into the side wall. I was instructed to put a pillar of light to clear distortions on the other side, and I just kind of walked around the structure clearing the space. It's quite heavy, quite negative, a lot of graffiti, and I was walking around just trying to clear the space, and then I was finally told it was time to leave. So I'm stepping out and I'm going to install another pillar of light, and I'm kind of the energy's kind of overwhelmed me. So I'm just gonna take a moment. So what I'm gonna do is install another pillar of light, continue to clear the distortion. I'm going to surround it and continue on my walk and see what else I come across. Bye-bye.